something like a void world, or even a TNT world, or maybe even something like a sandstone world, well, I've got you covered. I will teach you how to do all of those things and a lot more. So make sure for you guys to stick around to the end to see every single type on how to change your flat world and customize them. That came out wrong. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create a new flat world with most settings that you would need. You can change the name, you can change the coordinates, but it needs to be a flat world and it needs to have command blocks enabled. Now, the name or the seed doesn't matter. You can enable a bunch of other stuff, but just remember those two settings are the settings you need. Now, then you're going to want to create your flat world, and it's not going to take that long for a flat world, now that you're in the game, you're going to want to give yourself a command block with give at s command underscore block. And what you're going to get is a command block. You should place this command block down, set the block type to repeat, and the redstone to always active. And now you're going to write the command execute at all entities tilde, or yeah, you need to write this weird symbol. It's called tilde, and then fill tilde 10 3 tilde 10 tilde 0 tilde. What this will do is it will set all of it from bedrock to around here. So it'll fill in all of the grass and bedrock. Then what you want to do is set your block. Let's make it stone. And as you can see, it should start filling your whole world with stone. You do need to move around, and there is a lot of chat spam, but there is a way to disable it. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to change the game rule command block output to false, and it will turn off all the chat spam. Now the earlier chat spam will start to fade away, and you should start moving around, but there is a faster way to do this, and all you need is a snowball, or really any entity that you can throw, and it'll start filling it in really quickly. Just spam a bunch of snowballs and you should be good to go. Now, there is a problem with this, which means on older devices it will lag. So what you want to, if it is lagging for you, you either kill all the entities or make, instead of at E, at A. This will make it so that it'll work on only you and any other player, but it won't work on stuff like snowballs. So I would keep this feature on if your PC or Xbox or controller thing or anything really is capable enough of handling a lot of lag and capable of handling this. Then, well, you should keep it at E. Now I suggest filling it in all the way so that you can make it outside of your render distance from where spawn is or wherever you want to build. And now there is another problem, which if you go too far away from the command block, it stops working. So what you want to do is you're going to want to go to here. You're going to want to go to where your command block was, and then you're going to write this command: ticking area add circle tilde, or what your coordinates are, and then a radius of 4. This should make it so that if you go super far away, then it will still make it load even when you're super far away from the command block. Basically, what this command block does is the ticking area command block does is it makes you load it load the chunk in always. This will also cause lag, so yeah, be wary of that. Now, sometimes you don't want it to be just the whole map to be stone and stone only. Well, we've got you covered. You can actually change a lot more things. For example, you can make it how high it is, or where your layer is. For example, you can change where the layer starts. For here, we'll make it 10, and then for here we'll make it layer 10. And to change it, all you need to do is you need to change this number here. This command is for your first, like, the first area where your fill command is, and it's the Y coordinates. Then you enter 10, and then you can make it so where it ends. For example, here it should be. For me, I'm gonna make it 10 again, so it's just be one layer, and then you can put whatever block you want. For here, in this case scenario, we'll make it cobblestone. Now, we'll make it. Oopsie. Make sure to not make any mistakes, like the one I just did, where I forgot to put tildes instead of, So, yeah. Make sure that if that happens, just check your command, and it should just change some stuff, and yeah, it should be fixed. That was a bad explanation. But as you can see, it still works with snowballs, just not as well. You have to aim them on like a lower trajectory, and you'll probably create a really big cloud. And welcome to TommyInnit. Anyways. Now, sometimes the fill command won't work, and that might be because you've turned some stuff off. Now, you should copy all the stuff here and make sure that your command block should mimic it, and also check your game rules in case you disabled command blocks or disabled commands in general or cheats. And, that's all you really need. Now, you can also make it so that you can also make it air, so you just write your command block. You can make it whatever, and yeah. I'm making really bad explanations, but you can make a void by simply just making the block air, and it should fill in everything. Snowballs work perfectly fine. And yeah, most stuff works just nice, and it is nice to have. So yeah, that's all there really is to it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe if you wanted to see more command block style videos or some other videos where I show you how to create a custom portal on Bedrock Edition. See you guys later. Bye.